everyone, welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make some DIY kinetic sand popsicles. Isn't that cool? These are so much fun to play with. Let's start off by making some red kinetic sand. I'm adding some plain red sand to a bowl. I'm adding approximately a tablespoon of vegetable oil and a tablespoon of water. Give it a good stir. Mix it all together. This is how you make kinetic sand. Now we're going to add 50 ml of clear Elmer's glue. This sand is so much fun to play with. I'm adding a little bit more sand, just so it's the perfect consistency. Perfect. Now I have 200 ml of lukewarm water in a jug. To this, I'm adding half a teaspoon of borax and giving it a good mix. To this, I'm adding the sand. This is a similar method to making slime, which I'm sure loads of you will recognize. This is going to set our kinetic sand. Cool, huh? This is so much fun to play with. It's kind of like sand, but also a little bit like slime. Look how stretchy it is. So much fun. Perfect. Great fun. Amazing. Looking good. Keep playing. Wow! Look how stretchy it is. So now let's make some popsicles. I have a silicone popsicle mold and I'm adding some popsicle sticks. Next up, I'm going to add some kinetic sand. I'm starting off with the red sand, but I've also made some other colors, so let's add them as well. Can you believe that this is sand? Super cool. You can make any different patterns you want with your popsicles. Get creative. Great, so that's one done. Let's do the next one. I'm doing this one like a rainbow. Doesn't it look cool? Great, two done. Let's have a look at the third. This one's a stripy pattern. Super fun. Now we've got the last one. Perfect. Now that's done, let's give the popsicles a moment to set. Now it's time to pop them out. Great! Keep going. These are going to be so much fun to squish and play with. Last one. Looking good. Let's see them all next to each other. Now let's squish them. They're so much fun to play with. Super cool. Stretchy. And remember, you can make any different pattern you like. These look fab. Look at the colors. Whoa. Today I am going to show you something really awesome, and that is how to make A kinetic sand and slime island. Kinetic sand is sand that never dries out. Here I have some. It stays wet. I've also got some plastic palm trees, 450 ml of blue glue, a teaspoon of borax, a tub of water, about 2 cups, a separate half a cup of water, and some black Play-Doh. So let's get started. Kinetic sand is so much fun to play with. It feels like damp sand, so you can mold it, but it never dries out. It's super cool. So I'm pouring my kinetic sand onto a flat surface. I'm going to make an island out of this. It feels awesome. Here I am sculpting my island. Let's add some more sand. Looking good. Now let's put some palm trees on it. Now it's time to make our slime. I'm adding the borax to our tub of water and giving it a good stir. We don't want any remaining granules of borax in the water. Perfect. Set that aside, and now we're going to pour our glue. I'm using Elmer's, and it's a brilliant blue, just like the sea. We're going to pour our Elmer's into a separate empty container. We're now going to add the half a cup of water. We want to mix it in. This is going to look great. Now we're adding the glue to our borax mixture, and you'll see instantly it turns into slime. This is the coolest thing ever, and I never get bored of watching this happen. It's so slimy. It's great. This is going to be some awesome water around our kinetic sand island. Let's lay it around the sand. Super fun! It looks great! Perfect! Now I'm going to take some black Play-Doh and make the tail of a whale. Sculpt the shape just like I'm doing. This is going to sit really well in the water. It's going to look like there's a massive whale diving into the sea. Let's place him in there. Perfect! This looks fantastic. It makes me want to go on holiday. And it's super fun to play with. Look at that slime go. Cool, huh? That's how you make your very own kinetic sand and slime island. So much fun to play with and really great to touch. Look at it go! Today I'm going to show you how to make Aqua Magic Sand. Doesn't this look awesome? That is sand and it's underwater. So let's get started. First up, I have some Kinetic Sand. I'm putting it onto a tray and I'm spreading it thin. I'm starting with orange sand. Next, I'm going to take some water-resistant spray or Scotch Guard. I'm going to cover the sand in this spray. You want to make sure as much is covered as possible. Give it a good shake. Mix up the sand and spray again. We need every single surface of the sand to be covered in the spray. Mix it up and give it a good stir. This is what makes it waterproof. Repeat that process one more time. You can't be too safe. Now I'm going to press the sand into the bottom of a mold. I've made some other colours as well, so I'm going to make a rainbow. Starting with the orange, I've now got yellow and some green. Press it down as hard as you can. We don't want any air bubbles. Keep pressing. This is going to be amazing. It's going to sit underneath the water because it's aqua magic and it's waterproof. I've also done blue and purple. This is going to be an amazing rainbow castle underwater. Next, I've got some pink. Finally, some more red. Perfect. Let's look at the sand in action. You can see how waterproof it is. This is not how normal sand reacts in water. It's so fun to play with. That's all because of the spray that we added. Now let's put our castle. Give it a tap on top. And voila! Isn't that amazing? That is so cool. It's an underwater sand castle. Who knew that you could do that? This is so much fun to do. You can create any different shape you want and it's underwater. Amazing. Who would have thought? And there you have it, Aqua Magic Sand. Thanks for watching HooplaKidz How To. We'll see you again next time. Bye!